Hey, it's Alejandro Zepeda, and here is question 2 of the final exam. Here we go. So question 2 says, to use the method of undetermined coefficients, solve the IVP, y double prime plus 4y equals x squared plus 3e to the x. And the initial conditions are going to be y of 0 is 0, and y prime of 0 is 2. So we'll go to the auxiliary equation, r squared plus, there's no y prime term, so 0r plus 4 is 0 minus 4. R squared is negative 4. Solve for r. We're going to have the imaginary solution r equals to plus or minus 2i, which means, looking at the formula sheet, we have two unique roots. Y sub c is c1 it's supposed to be e, not x. Then we've got a little bit. C1e to the, oh, what am I doing now? It's a case 3, not a case 1, because it's imaginary. And my a is 0, so I'm not going to have an e to the x. So it's going to be c1 cosine 2x plus c2 sine 2x. There we go. Now I can start finding my y sub p. I have an x squared and an e to the x. So I know the x squared is going to be a squared plus bx plus c and plus d e to the x. Now y prime p is 2ax plus b plus dex. Y double prime is 2a plus dex. We can plug that into the de now. So y double prime 2a plus dex plus 4y plus 4y ax squared plus bx plus c plus dx equals x squared plus 3. There I go again, writing x instead of e to the x. So now let's go ahead and simplify a little bit. 2a plus, here's going to be 4 dex plus dx, 5 dex plus 4 ax squared plus 4 bx plus 4c equals x squared plus 3ex. Now my x squareds have to go together. So 4a equals 1. Then my x's for b is 0 because I have no x term. My constants, 2a plus 4c is 0. And then my e's, 5d equals 3. That's everything. So if I divide by 4, a is a quarter. Divide by 4 again. B is 0. I know what a is. It's a quarter. 4c is 0. Half plus 4c, 0. Move the half over. 4c is negative half. Get rid of the 4. C is negative an eighth. Move the 5. D is 3/5. So then y is y sub c. So c1 cos 2x plus c2 sine 2x plus y sub p, which is a, which a is a quarter, squared, plus bx, b 0 though, so nothing, minus an eighth, plus dx, d's 3 over 5, d e to the x, I mean, so 3 over 5 e to the x. And those were with the initial conditions here. So I'm going to need y prime, and that's going to be the derivative of cosine is negative sine, negative 2 c1 sine 2x plus 2c2 cos 2x plus half x, derivative constant is 0, plus 3 over 5 e to the x. And then y of 0 is 0, so 0 equals c1 cosine of 0, because 2 times 0 is 0, plus c2 sine 0 plus a quarter times 0 minus an eighth plus 3/5 e to the 0. And that's going to be 0 equals c1. This goes to 0, so this goes to 0, plus this goes to 0. So actually minus an eighth plus 3/5. And 3/5 minus an eighth, fraction, is 19 over 40. So minus 19 over 40 from both sides. And negative 19 over 40 is c1. Now, I know that y prime of 0 is 2. So 2 is negative 2 c1 sine 0 plus 2c2 cos 0 plus half 0 plus 3 over 5 e to the 0, which is going to be 2 equals, this is 0, 2c naught plus 3 over 5 minus 3 over 5, 2 minus 3 over 5, what's that as a fraction, 7 over 5 is the same as 2c2, 2c2, divided by 2. 7 over 10 is c2, which means y is c1, so negative 19 over 40 cosine 2x plus c2 sine 2x plus quarter. I know what c2 is. c2 is 7 over 10. And back to here, quarter x squared minus an eighth plus 3 over 5 e to the x. And there it is. Here's the whole thing. All right.